Hello again. Today we have to take a look to this sick thermal camera. This is a Reveal FX. It have a definition of 206 times 156 pixels. That means 32,000 pixels. Temperature detection between minus 40 degrees to 330 degrees. And SICK Reveal XR. And by the number of X's here, that shows me this is 17 Hertz instead of 9, the standard. The point is that this camera doesn't hold the SD card anymore, so the latch mechanism there, I don't know, it's something wrong there anyway, and I need the SD card because sometimes I need photos of the things I'm experimenting and so on. So nothing else to do, open it up, let's see what's happening. Torx, oh yes, and this is a number T8. So I can say that this camera have the same resolution like the USB SICK thermal cameras, very popular, useful for dynos, any kind of electronic devices. Okay, what about here? Oh, we have some more in front. So these guys in the front, they are kind of special. No chance but to drill these guys. It's done. Okay, let's clean the area before. So this is open. Oh, that's the battery. Really nice battery. I like it. We need to get to the other side. Maybe I should disconnect the camera. Do we have a latch? Okay, this one is very clear. But what about the camera itself? I don't think so. And we are out. Yeah. That's the front. And I may say the camera is pretty heavy, but you know why? Because this is metal. Yeah, okay, nice. How can I get... Alright, these guys will go out. This kind of crazy, this kind of screws are absolutely crazy. But I believe I have some of this from computers. Okay, I have to take the board out. How? Like this? Just like this? Oh yeah. So, what's wrong with you? Okay. And the display is out, and I can properly work here. So, what's wrong with you? Here is the mechanism. Somehow, you see this one goes in there. And should stop at the end of the things. But nothing happens. Oh. Really? Or no? Something broken here. Something missing. You see inside here we should have a piece of wire which obviously going in and out from, you see those two channels? So we need something like a U shape going in and out. Where is that piece? That one it's missing. I got a piece. You see that? That's the one. How was that possible? Unbelievable. How is that possible? I can't believe that. How can I fix that? Okay, so this is that's the part I'm talking about. This piece should stay down there with one of the parts you see inside there. But for me it's very clear that the support of the U shape, or kind of U, it's broken. So I'm afraid I can't do anything about. The single way to solve this problem is to get rid of the latch mechanism here, you know, to get rid of this spring, and I'll insert the card freely and hopefully stay in place, which will do. Evidently it's not a big mechanical stress. Even so, I can fix it, push it back somehow. So yeah, this one will just disappear. Just like that. Because anyway, I don't have a replacement. That's the only solution. Now let's see if I can push the card inside. Of course I can. And it's steady in position. Voila. Okay. So, you know something, people, I had the upgrade already on the SD card, and when I connect the battery, the device started already and doing the upgrade. This is nuts. This is crazy. And it went up. So 1406 version. Okay, I'll do that later, honey. Just let me put all the other things together and we'll take care about all those interests. Very nice. Okay, this is done. Now, okay, this one goes in here. Oh yes, we have a latch. Of course we have. That's the battery. And yeah, it's working. Beautiful. Well, I think I have to put a little bit of contact spray inside here. These guys are a little bit worn, tired. So that doesn't hurt. Much better response. Okay, let me try to. Okay, it's closed. Wow, what is this here? Perfect. Oh, this is on. So yeah. It's not good. Not at all. Outside. Yeah, you're good. Let me have this, please. No. What about these guys? Do you think they are long enough to get into the position there? Oh yeah. Kind of problem solved. Of course. And I'll find 2 replacement screws for these things back here. and we are in the business. Okay, let's see. So the card is working, no problemos. The temperature, it's fine. Everything is fine here. So let me see. Menu, about, and it's also done the firmware upgrade 1406. This is the latest one from thermal from SICK Reveal. It's absolutely amazing how that could happen, you know, that problem with the card. So this is the single solution I could find. So I just let it there. I cannot access it through the computer. It's working. Beautiful. Okay, so that's it for today. I'm kind of stressed, you know, I really love this camera, but it's back and it's working. Like always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, push the like button. Thanks to my sponsors, Radu, Vlad and Czech. And until the next one, don't forget, have fun. See you. Bye bye.